Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a beginner friendly wig install. The hair I'm using today comes from MegaLook hair. This is the 20-inch body wave. Here I'm just showing you the inside construction. They did have some combs at the top which I cut out just to better lay the wig down. And I've had this wig for quite some time. So I will be using the Eben tinted lace in medium brown. Also, I will be using the Wig Dealer melting lace spray. And right here, I'm just showing you some other products that I will be using. Heat protectant, some argan oil, and they all come from Chi, and that's silk infusion. I will be putting wand curls in. So I bought this from Walmart. This is the Infinity Pro. And my hot comb, which also I got from Amazon. So here I'm about to just tint the lace. Now this is my first time using this, so I had to watch a couple of videos just to make sure I was doing it right. Didn't want to mess up the hair. I did use 2 coats. Once I put the first layer down, I did go over with the blow dryer. I did the second coat, blow dryer again, and then I just sealed it with some Got to Be spray. guys, so right now I'm about to use the Wig Dealer melting lace spray. So I really love this stuff when it comes to applying my wigs, because I don't use glue. I haven't tried using glue, so pretty much this works for me. So I'm going to spray in front of my hairline, and I do take my blow dryer on cool. So if you guys are using this or you do have this, make sure that you use cool. You don't want to use hot. Okay, so now I'm going in with my flat iron. I like for my hair to lay as flat as possible. No bumps, no heels at the top. No, I don't like none of that. So, look, you can just see the difference. I love it. Guys, I'm always burning myself. My thumb just have a tendency to want to just hang around the top of that daggone thing. But anyway, this pretty much is one of my favorite parts, because I just love how it just lays my hair flat. Okay, so now I'm going to style this wig. I am going to be putting some wand curls in it. I do love using the Chi shy, whatever y'all call it. I really like using that because I like how it makes my hair, gives my hair some shine. It makes my hair so soft. So I love this. And you can just kind of see already just what the difference make. And just giving it some sheen, it makes it look so super healthy. And so my hair is completely curled. So now I'm just going to go into the part and just put a little bit of concealer just to kind of make it look a little more natural, look more prominent. So now I'm going to go in with the Argan oil just to add a little more shine to my hair. And I will be just finger combing my hair